Assalamualaikum grade 1, take out your English grammar book and open your page number 11. Today our topic is nouns. Nouns. Naming words are called noun. Everything around us have a name. So people, animal, places and things have names. Look at here, what is this? Fan. It is fan, house, cat, table, girl. These are nouns. Let us understand. Can you identify this picture? Which letter is missing in each word? Write the complete word in your notebook. Okay, now tell me, what is this? It is bus. B-U-S bus. B-I-R-D bird. R-A-T rat. H-E-N hen. P-E-N pen. So naming words are called nouns. Turn your page. Look at page number 12. Practice. Look at the picture. Put a circle around the naming word that you can see in the picture. Okay. Here we have some words like and man. Yes, you can see man in this picture. Okay. Now circle it. Goat. There is no goat in this picture. So don't circle it. Cat. Yes, here it is. Here is cat. Trees. Here is tree. So circle it. Hut. Now look at the word H-U-T, hut. There is no hut in this picture. It is house. Stars. There are no stars. S-U-N, sun. Yes, here is sun. Hill. Here is hill. Fox. Yes, fox. Now circle it. Bus. Van. You circle it. Dog. D-O-G, dog. Yes, dog is here. So circle it. Jet. No, there is no jet on the sky. And boy. Yes, here is boy. Now circle it. Now today your homework is page number 13. Do it very neat and clean handwriting. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.